Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm a first vlogger as a student. So today, I'm writing my name in one whole sheet of paper and my grade. So my mom said to me that I tried to make a vlog of me as a student to help them support to me. And now guys, I'm telling you that I am not regular student because I am special student than the regular student. So for today's guys, I'm writing my assignment in a one whole sheet of paper. Can you see guys? There's a lot of number that I'm writing in a one whole sheet of paper. After I write a whole number in my one whole sheet of paper, I look in my bag to see where it is my notebook. And now as I'm trying to solve because my mind is not working. Oh my god. So, pahala nung isa dira guys, mga buang na siya. Joke lang guys. So, the view behind my back is so nice. I like the tree and I like the sky. So, nitingala pa ko dira guys, nganong nalibog ko. Nagamit pa ko calcul dira guys. Pero, as a student, kaya hindi na ako guys. So, tomorrow guys, I will make another vlog of me as a student for going in my school and my early routines. So, guys, wait for another vlog of me that I'm trying to work. Palaban pa ko calculator dira guys, kinalibog jud ko. Murag wakwak ang isa dira guys, oh. Pagkataod na guys. Awan ninyo guys pagkataod na mag-open ko light because di na dyan na ako kaya ang ngit-ngit. Nga napadyog ko hilanat guys. Sa baa para nasaluyo na ako eh. Now, kana kung isa ka one whole nga paper guys, kika na akong gisolvan. So that it's guys. Bye-bye.